Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to enable auto-generated captions on Instagram. So the caption will later help you will show up in a video that you watch in Instagram, and it will help you maybe understand the video easily. And here you can just go to your profile and click on the three lines icon and go to settings and scroll down in the setting page to find the preferences. Press on the preferences and here you'll find captions. Just select that, and so the video post you watch in the Instagram, of course, will show auto-generated captions. So to enable it, you can just click on the circle right here until it turns to blue. So let's see the result. I'm gonna find a video. So the caption will only show in an English language video, so I'm going to find one. Okay, just wait, or I'm going to just click on reel. Okay. Oh, okay, so this one's right here.
So I started my own business.
So the caption will be shown in the video like this. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can enable auto-generated caption on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.